Welcome back to our channel. Are you looking for a natural solution to enhance your hair health? Well, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we will uncover the genius ways of using aloe vera gel for your hair. Aloe vera is not just a popular houseplant. It is a natural remedy packed with incredible benefits for your hair. So let's dive right into it and discover how to incorporate aloe vera gel into your hair care routine. Aloe vera gel is rich in essential vitamins, minerals, and enzymes that promote healthy hair growth. It contains proteolytic enzymes that repair dead skin cells on the scalp and stimulate hair follicles, leading to hair growth. Furthermore, it acts as a natural conditioner, leaving your hair smooth and shiny. Now, let's explore the top 5 genius ways to use aloe vera gel for your hair. 1. Aloe vera hair mask. To create an aloe vera hair mask, you will need a fresh aloe vera leaf, a mixing bowl, and a fork. Start by extracting the gel from the leaf and transfer it to the mixing bowl. Use a fork to whip the gel until it turns into a smooth consistency. Apply this mask to your damp hair, from roots to tips, and gently massage it into your scalp. Leave it on for 30 minutes, allowing the nutrients to penetrate deeply. Finally, rinse it off with lukewarm water and enjoy the newfound softness and vitality of your hair. 2. Aloe vera scalp treatment. If you're looking for a rejuvenating scalpy treatment, aloe vera gel is the answer. Simply take a generous amount of aloe vera gel and apply it directly to your scalp. Gently massage the gel in circular motions for a few minutes to stimulate blood circulation and enhance nutrient absorption. Leave it on for about an hour, then rinse it off with a mild shampoo. Repeat this treatment once a week for a healthy, nourished scalp. 3. Aloe vera and coconut oil hair mask. For a deeply nourishing hair mask, combine aloe vera gel with coconut oil. In a mixing bowl, take 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel and 2 tablespoons of melted coconut oil. Mix them well until they form a smooth paste. Apply this mask to your hair, focusing on the lengths and ends. Leave it on for 45 minutes, then rinse it off with a gentle shampoo. Experience the incredible hydration and lusciousness this mask provides. 4. Aloe vera and lemon juice for dandruff. Dandruff can be an annoying hair concern, but aloe vera gel combined with lemon juice can be the perfect solution. Mix equal parts of aloe vera gel and freshly squeezed lemon juice in a bowl. Massage the mixture onto your scalp and leave it on for 20 minutes. Lemon juice helps balance the pH levels on your scalp, reducing dandruff, while aloe vera soothes any irritation. Rinse it off thoroughly and say goodbye to dandruff. 5. Aloe vera leave-in conditioner. Creating an aloe vera leave-in conditioner is simple and effective. After washing your hair, take a small amount of aloe vera gel and spread it evenly through your damp hair, focusing on the ends. Style your hair as desired. Aloe vera acts as a natural moisturizer, preventing frizz and providing a protective layer for your hair. Embrace the smooth and manageable results with this leave-in conditioner. And there you have it. 5 genius ways of using aloe vera gel for your hair. Whether you choose to create a hair mask, a scalp treatment, or mix it with other nourishing ingredients, aloe vera gel is the ultimate natural solution for healthy and beautiful hair. Don't forget to incorporate these tips into your hair care routine and let us know your experience in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more hair care secrets. Stay tuned for the next video where we reveal more amazing beauty hacks. Thank you for watching.